Ready to unlock a goldmine of cleaning clients hiding in plain sight? Let's dive into how you can use Redfin to explode your cleaning business. First, head over to redfin.com now. Think about your ideal customer. New homeowners are often too busy unpacking to clean, making them perfect targets. Use Redfin's search bar to pinpoint specific neighborhoods you want to target. Knowing your area is key to building a loyal customer base. Zoom in on the map view to see individual property listings. Redfin often indicates when a property was recently sold, and that's your cue. Click on a listing and look for the property history. The sale date is crucial. Properties sold within the last month or prime opportunities. Compile a list of these recently sold properties and their addresses. Time to reach out. A friendly phone call or a personalized letter can work wonders. Craft a compelling offer, maybe a new homeowner special or a discount on their first deep clean. Make it irresistible. Highlight the benefits of your service, freeing up their time, creating a healthy home environment, and relieving the stress of moving in. Always ask for testimonials. Happy customers are your best marketing tool. Feature those reviews on your website and marketing materials. And that's how you leverage Redfin to find a steady stream of new cleaning clients. Remember to be persistent, professional, and offer top-notch service.